Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
So, guys, hoping
Good
you
morning.
received yesterday's demo document and demo video.
Yes,
So
sir. We
this
have.
was a
Sure.
running notes I forwarded yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's my first demo today.
Okay, madam, I will be sharing yesterday demo video, demo document. Kindly go through that.
Definitely.
I will brief it for 15 minutes only, not more than the yesterday's part. Rest of the part is fresh part. Guys, today's agenda, recap of first demo, 15 minutes. And fresh part, 45 minutes. Session will continue till 10:10 a.m. And the first demo, in the first demo level, I explained about data to Power Platform hierarchy. And today's demo, and practical of Power BI. This is installation, download installation, and medium level practice. Not very high at the same time, not very low, medium level. To give you some awareness. You can see the demo video in the YouTube as well. With yesterday's date. In case you want to see in the YouTube level also, you can see with yesterday's date. Now coming to the recap of yesterday's session. My name Vinay. And this is my contact number. You can give me a call in between these timings. There are many people call me yesterday. I addressed them properly. And you can call me for the guidance, interview FAQs, or suggestions or any. And you can try after this course as a Power BI developer or support resource or an admin resource. This all you can try. And this was the content yesterday I typed it, the same content I'm showing. And I'm going to cover data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamentals. This is to understand the environment. SQL basics 3 to 4 hours I'm covering, but this is not sufficient. In case you are planning for job or to work happily in the real time, learn 30 hours or 40 hours SQL. Wherever you want to learn, it's up to you, but learn 30, 40 hours SQL. And Power BI, all components I'm going to cover: cloud, on-premises, report building, many more. And these many classes you will not find in the fast track level and online other classes level. So I'm covering Power BI desktop, DAX, Power BI report, report server desktop, report builder, Power BI service, Power BI server, report embedding. And not only this, you need to know about environment components like Power Apps. I'm giving 2 hours awareness. Power Automate, I'm giving 2 hours awareness. And you need to know about GitHub, 1 hour. Report testing, 1 hour. It is a versioning tool. It's a testing component. And for more hands-on, I will give you 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. So this is the part I'm covering. And you need to learn additional SQL. That is for overall understanding. But importantly, 7 topics you should have very good knowledge. I will mention the 7 topics. You go through it and learn properly. But if you want to learn more, yes, you can learn more. One ETL, one semantic tool knowledge. So what is ETL? What is semantic tool? I will explain, but this is advantage. And I explained yesterday from data onwards till Power Platform, all the stuff. I will show you graphically. Please see this. So I will give you Power Platform good understanding, Power BI desktop and DAX detailed understanding. Paginated report building, SQL session, MSB Cube session, GitHub, report testing, near real-time projects, etc. This is all I'm going to cover. And if you go to the next part, what exactly we provide from the institution, a good theory and practical material will provide you. And live class videos will share. And the training is fully practical with the training. And you will be having very good interaction with me during the session. Resume preparation will help you. WhatsApp group also created, and FAQs also discussed. And the course is suitable if you want to keep less than 5 years in Power BI and try in the market. So Power BI developer, DAX, SQL, this combination you want to try, or support resource you want to try, admin resource you want to try. These 3 opportunities confidently you can try after finishing the course, which means I'm covering in depth of the course. This anyway you can try. This is normal combination with multiple tools. Anyway you can try. No doubt in that. But if you want to keep more than 5 years in Power BI, modeling knowledge, designing knowledge required, it comes up with experience only. If you work in 1 or 2 projects end to end, then only you can try in this position. Otherwise, you cannot.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Vinay.
Give me a few minutes, madam. I will. Yeah. Yes, I will open for the questions.
Okay.
Now, the batch training is, this is a batch training and normal track training. We have offline and online both the modes. The duration is 50 to 60 days, as I'm covering in detail. And for fast track one-on-one or customized training, you can reach out on this number. They will help you on this. And coming to the materials and videos, for each batch, we will create like this. Take any batch. We'll create a folder. All materials at a time I will give you. At the same time, I will create folders with headings, demos, Power BI components, extract data. For example, if you go to this, you will find the respective videos and material. So this is the material required to practice these videos. Complete spoon feeding way. You will receive the videos, materials. Even Azure session I conducted. Last week Azure session we conducted. Azure workshop as well. So confidently you can try. You can try for the jobs and you can work in the real time by following the videos and the materials. Right. This is okay. Okay. From the last few minutes, I completed my description as well as opportunities and what we provide from the institution. Now I'm open for your questions. Ask your questions. Yesterday, I explained this part very in detail, and this is all I covered yesterday. What is data? What is IT application? What is BA application? What is Power BI? What is Power Platform? This is what I covered yesterday. Anything you are able to store is called data. We have three types of data in the current market. One is structured, second one semi-structured, third one unstructured. And coming to IT applications work on all these types of data. And majorly two types of IT applications available. First IT application to run the business. We call it as OLTP, online transaction processing. This is technical word. Second kind of IT applications to analyze the business, OLAP. So you guys decided to move into this area, analytical application process. So currently you're attending a demo where the component for analytical processing, not for the day-to-day business process. It will not help the organization to run the business. It will help the organization to take effective decisions towards running the business. These analytical applications, also called as business intelligence applications. Why and how I explained yesterday in detail. So these analytical applications provide intelligent data of the business. That's why we call it as BI application, business intelligent application. As they provide intelligence to the business, we call it as a BI, business intelligence, and the application is BI applications. I explained about BI applications process and layers yesterday. And any BI application you take, so BI stands for business intelligence. BA stands for business intelligence, intelligence to the business, a decision making or analysis to the business. And you want to conclude technically, business intelligence is the process of converting your normal data into decision making data. And the data presented using visual or insight. Then what is visual? Visual is a component which will display the data or data in graphical format. Insight is an operation which will show accurate and deep understanding of visual data. Visual will display. Insight will provide deep understanding. So business intelligence application provide intelligent data in the form of visuals and insights. And these are presented in reports and dashboards. And report is individual operation component and detailed data we show. And dashboard level, we show high level data and set of individual operations component. Example, look at this. This is an individual operation report and set of high level values and regarding an operation dashboard. So dashboard looks like this, a report looks like this because detailed data. A report is for detailed data. Individual operation. Dashboard is for high level values and multiple independent operations. Input for the business intelligence system is data, any type of data, any data, anywhere data. Output from the business intelligence system is report or dashboard. So what is BI? What is input? What is output? I clearly explain here. Anyone having any questions? But how come this input data converted to output like this? We have a process called BI process. And the BI process early different. Actually in 90s, the process different. And middle age, 2005 to 2010 is middle age. The process slightly different. And now modern, the process sophisticated, the process optimized, the process slightly changed. So your data converted to reports and dashboards with a process called BA process. And the BA process in early stage, middle age, modern age, slightly different. I will explain you. Kindly focus. This is your data. Your general public, they will use web application or mobile application or desktop application to perform day-to-day operations. Finally, the information stored in respective databases or storage areas. That is called input data. You booked a movie ticket. You can book through web, you can book through web mobile, you can book through desktop. The data will be here. And the management team, this is a management team. They want to analyze that information. And management analytical information is called BA data, business intelligent data. And management team can see in web and mobile and desktop nowadays. Anyway, they can see. So however we perform day-to-day operations, the same way management team can perform operations. Operations in the sense, the interface same. Through web, mobile, desktop, general public perform operations. The same interfaces management team use, but in a different way, the data presentation. And here the data is normal data. Here the data is intelligent data. But how do we convert the normal data into intelligent data? I told you very clear an example. If you book a movie ticket or a train ticket, PNR number. Let me go to our notepad file again. So what is data? Types of data. This is what I explained yesterday. IT applications. Now data to BA data. So when you book a train ticket, PNR number, station, amount, etc. will be stored. That is normal data. But business intelligence data level, we don't bother about this kind of information. We look forward for this. number of trains having highest demand, lowest demand, etc. Are areas having full sale of tickets, areas not having any sale of tickets. And this is business intelligence data, decision making data. To convert this normal data into decision making data or BA data, we need BA process. And if you take the BA process, legacy in 90s, compulsory multiple tools required, multiple resources required, multiple setups required. It's too costly. That I will explain graphically. See this. This is the 90s process. You want to convert your input data to output data. First, one layer required, layer one. That layer is ETL layer, which will extract the data from daily systems. It will bring the data. It will transform the data. If the data not appearing properly, the data required changes will do the transformation. Finally, load. Where do we load? We load into layer two, which is a huge storage area. Data huge storage area is data warehouse. So from day-to-day systems, we bring the data, move into huge storage. And after that, we take required data, specific data. We apply aggregate operations, analytical operations. Complete warehouse data not suitable for analysis. A part of data is suitable. For example, this is banking industry data, and you want to analyze savings account only. Take savings account data, savings account aggregates like sum, average, minimum. You create analytics, top, bottom, rank, etc. You create. So take specific data and create everything here. And from this area is called semantic area. Which area? Semantic. So this is ETL area. This is semantic area. Finally, you go for presentation using fourth layer, reporting layer, where reports and dashboards generated. And this information only management team uses using these applications and take decisions. So first layer ETL, second layer warehouse, third layer cubes or semantic, fourth layer presentation, compulsory required if you want to implement a BA process and generate BA data for the management team early. And for this, they recruited multiple people to work on multiple tools and multiple setups. So one company decided, why don't we optimize it? If you go to MNCs, still they follow the same process. Still they follow same process, MNCs. But first time, one organization optimized this MSBA suite that is from the Microsoft. Please listen. What is MSBA? What is Azure BA? What is Power BA? I'm explaining. MSBA is the first suite from the Microsoft. Is a BA suite to perform end-to-end operations. Sir, what is suite? Suite contains multiple tools. So tools. First tool is integration services. Second tool is analysis services. Third tool is reporting services. So two major tools available to perform end-to-end. So SSIS sits in this area, AS sits in this area, RS sits in this area. And purely on-premises. What do you mean by on-premises? I told you yesterday, you can keep the servers in your computer, so in your company, store the data and manage the data. So if you do the operations within your organization, within your computer, within your machine, that is on-premises. In case you keep your data, somebody else storage, manage it or operate it, that is called cloud.